What's up, my boys? Second. What's up, my boys? All right, I hope. With streams. Nice, okay. So, my boys, let's go. So today finally we start scripting, and I think I know how we can refactor our code today. Let's go. So what game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. 1 second. Let me show. So here's a link. There's 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Hello. So, but in general, hide and seek with random ability for survivors. Okay, let's make visible our shop frame and items, like so, like so. Inventory filter and category buttons, and all of that stuff we make invisible, right, because we need only the shop. So okay, we need to create a player data controller who will be. So player data controller data equals to new on updated bindable event. So we can create instances here, right? All data, self data. Okay, self data, new data. Okay, fire all on updated. So we fire all bindable event. Nice. and this is a method to get the data if we just need to get that. And let's go in our local script and let's require our script. So let's require our script. Yeah, let's just call that. So this will be layer data controller. Player data controller. And player data controller. We first need, of course, initialize that. Okay, let's make it like so, but later we'll make a main script which initialize all of that stuff together a little bit later. Player data controller dot new data get. So okay. Oh no, we can't. It returns nil. We can get the data. So we initialize that, right? Like create meta table with all of that stuff. And let's just return that. How we can subscribe on all of that? Let's see. The controller. Okay. So we need to create the modules with all of that separately. For fun, don't use ChatGPT for coding, use Cloudy. Bro, I used Cloudy. Hello. Cloudy is better. For me, that's not better, bro. I use that tool that's helpful to you. Hello, welcome. I tried Cloudy. I don't like interface, how it looks like. I watched the video and the game looks very good, but maybe you can add running animation. Yes, of course, bro. It's already here. It's already in the game. It's this video made like 1 month ago, so the game is still in alpha, in development. So that's it. By the way, for fun, I'm reworking my GUI for the third time. It looks as good as you mean tower defense one. You can ask Phoenix in your Discord server later, he saw it. Oh, okay, bro, that's cool. But I don't think I have the best one GUI. I don't like my GUI in tower defense. Okay, bro, that's cool. Keep it up, the good work, bro. So guys, today stream won't be long, and the next streams will be not too long, because I need to finally refactor all of that code. So I need to refactor my code and understand OOP, so I really need to make full focus on that. And so today won't be a long stream a lot, and I'm a little sick today, so and that's it. Bro, your UI is really good. Thank you, bro. I took inspiration from it. Oh, really, bro? Okay, I'm very glad that it helped to you, bro. I'm very glad that it helped to you. Okay, let's start with something easy, something simple. Let's really first lock the camera and some other stuff. Local modules. Let's create a module. Camera controller. What are you scripting? I'm refactoring my code, bro, by using OP. I need to change the structure, like module structure I wanna make for my game, and I wanna separate all my scripts for this. Hi, hello. I think the camera blur or something in main menu. This is just OP for all stuff. So, self camera, workspace, current camera, lock camera. I think we don't need unlock the camera. And here is apply blur. Probably we'll have we already have the blur, and let's take it just from here. Where is it? Lobby. Let's check blur. Oh, maybe it's already in the lighting, I think. Yeah, it's just disabled, I think. Yeah, right? Yes, right. So we just, instead of making it like so, we just can make this, let's call the lighting service. Game get service lighting. So lighting dot blur dot enabled equals to true. Okay, it will be on blur off blur, just false. So on blur will make so lock camera. Lock camera. What is lock camera? Scriptable. That's not all. Self. Let's check what we made. That. I've been watching for a long time. I've been banned from texting on my main. I don't see the reason why I haven't received any warning. I found this very rude. Bro, probably you typed something weird or something like so. I don't know, bro. If I did like so, this is my decision, bro. And this is not for discussing, bro. Just I don't like probably what are you typing. I don't know. So because I have zero patience to toxics and some and rude behavior, bro. Probably you really made type something bad, which I don't like, or maybe my mods don't like. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Maybe you're swearing for someone. I don't know. So I even don't remember who are you, and I even don't remember who got banned, because I forget about that in 1 second, bro. After doing that. Debug tool for the basement, Profan mods, yeah, bro. Profan, I found a cool UI gradient effect for white stuff. If you put a gradient of a white to light color, like light blue, it looks cool. Okay, bro. That's cool, that's cool. Is the reason why you don't use help because you want the full profit? Yes, but this is not the main reason, bro. If I just focus on the money, probably I won't do Roblox. I probably programmed made front-end development. This is not the main reason, but of course, when you work solo, this is like benefits. When you don't use the team, this is definitely better in financial side. But the main, if you think you can earn alone more, I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure, because when you work with a team, you definitely have you definitely make the games faster. You definitely makes the game faster, and even with team, bro, really you can get more profit. I think this is my opinion, maybe I'm not right. Well, and also all depends on the different factors. So that's it. Rohan, where do you live? What do you mean? In the basement, bro. I live. Or what do you mean? As usual, in the basement. Oh, I forget about Twitch, by the way. It's okay if it's a little game, but your game is very complicated. This is not very complicated, bro. The main reason, bro, the main reason why I work alone. First, this is I wanna this is a challenge for me. Like I can barely listen. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Oh yeah, probably I need to make myself a little. Oh yeah. I forget about that. Music too loud. What the hell? That's better, I hope. Yeah. Right now, I think yeah. I wanna just. This is just like a challenge for me. If I will be successful in this, in making game alone, guys, without any money. I wanna that it'll be it'll be motivation for all of you guys. Like if you like I wanna prove if it's possible that you can make your games successful games without, if you're really broke, really. So this is really probably one of the main reasons why I'm making solo. So just you can rely only on your skills, and I use always. I never programmed before. I never buy some courses or something like so, some tutorials. I never bought that. And if it's possible, if I really will be successful in this, so I hope it will be motivation for some of you guys who still think maybe you need more money, maybe you need wait when you have better computer. My phone, which is a camera, it's overheated. It's overheated in 1 hour of when I'm streaming, guys, and it sometimes just stuck, and that's all. So and of course the second reason, this is definitely because I wanna develop. I wanna really became a real professional in this, because guys, when you have a team, you can rely on them. And when I work alone, I know that if I don't fix this bug, no one will fix this tomorrow. So this really helps me to grow as a developer a lot, because no one really helps me. Just I need to solve all the bugs, fix all the bugs, solve all the problems on my own. So yeah, really it's helpful to me. Maybe if I work with someone, really I can do that game or other stuff here. So that's it. And profit, bro, if I really want to get if I want really just to make money and full profit, probably I would make the different games in Roblox, or probably I'm not even making game in Roblox. I just became a front-end developer who really make websites and earn a lot of money. I have some friends, and there is very well paid direction. Also, it's programming. So I'm not making a game because of money. I'm making a game because I wanna play this game. I wanna create my own worlds. I wanna create my own stories, and I wanna. So I like that. I just like coding love coding. I don't like, I love coding. And I just every day, even when I have free time, if you think I relaxing, no, I'm watching tutorials about meta tables and some other stuff. Of course, not all the time, but like, because I'm just interested in that. I'm interested how to make that better, and that's it. This is the reasons, and like full profit, yes, bro. But this is like, I should have any benefits when I work alone, right? So this is full profit. So full profit, definitely. This is like one of the benefits for all of this. Because guys, if you think full stack developer, this is cool, this is not cool, guys. You need to know everything from YouTube, from editing videos to promotion, Blender, scripting, GUI, like Photoshops and some other stuff. There is a lot of so yeah, of course I have 3 years experience in video editing on YouTube, and it's really helpful to me. But like, it spent a lot of time. Maybe if I work with someone, it'll be faster. Similar things happened with me. I hired some friends and they completely messed up my GUI. So yeah. Yeah, and also, I forget about one more thing, and also, not all people ready to want to make your dreams come true. They can help you, right? But this is definitely your project anyway. So even if you pay for them, definitely they're not so dedicated usually enough. Yeah, of course you can find that like all people will do much have enough dedication in that, but not always, guys. It's very hard to have that team, to find that team, and usually you need to motivate a lot the people that they work good enough. Usually you need to manage a lot. So management, this is very important when you create your team, and this really easier in some cases, that I don't need to think, oh, that guy made that thing that I told him or not. Maybe he just forget about this task and he just skip that. So why not? Or maybe he I don't know, he goes in vacation and you need to work alone instead of him or something. A lot of things, guys, a lot of things. And the same thing when you hire someone, don't forget, guys, a lot of scammers. You can also face a lot of scammers who really maybe start working with you, you pay them, and they just leave forever, like so, or just steal your game or something like so. There's a lot of problems with that, with management. So that's it. This reminds me of my dad. He says, I need little help and we build a new house later. Okay. Hello, I decided to dive in Roblox scripting. Any tips for starters? Yes, bro. Learn the basics, like how scripts works, how remote events works, and like basics, how programming works in Roblox. Then just I recommend you to make the game depending to find info depending on your task. For example, you need to make invisibility for your player. You just find how to make invisibility, not everything you need. This has really helped me to learn faster, much faster. And so just you don't need unnecessary info, bro. You don't need. This is my point, because you forget everything. I learned a lot in my life, not only in Roblox. So when I started to learn everything about Blender, for example, I learned. I had the good tutorials. And then I just don't use this knowledge immediately, and like in 3 months, I think I even forget how to rescale or something like so. Really, okay, maybe not rescale. Some simple things I forget how to do because I don't use my knowledge immediately. So really, this is very helpful if you don't find and if you don't find everything you see, don't learn everything you see. Just you need to make a sprint. How to make a sprint in Roblox Studio. That's all, bro. You need. And also, this is very common mistake about new developers, and I also faced with this. Like you make your projects very big for the first projects. This is a common mistake, and a lot of people like me also. I also thought like, oh, my project is not big. They told about other big projects, but guys, no. Usually you start. Oh, maybe I need to add this. Maybe I need to add this, and then like I developed my first game, Memes Tower Defense, 1.5 year, and after this time, I realized after all this time that I need like maybe 2 years more to develop. And the problem of all of that, okay, maybe you tell me like, oh bro, so that's okay. So good games takes a lot of time if you work solo. So yes guys, but no one guarantee for you, don't forget about that. No one cares about your game. This is true, this is how world works. No one cares about your game, no one cares about your YouTube videos. So this is absolutely not guarantee. If you make a game like 5 years, you'll be successful. You just probably after 5 years you release that like, oh, maybe all wait for my game, and just it won't be successful. Probably not. I don't know. This is absolutely random, but usually, guys, if you have not enough promotion, this will be hard. So of course, if you before that all these 5 years you'll make videos, you'll make your own brand, okay, that's cool, yeah, that's right way. But anyway, don't forget about burning out, guys. Burning out really close to you always. Don't forget about that. Even if you don't feel that, I had motivation to make my first game. Guys. I have strongest motivation in my life about my first game. I like 1 year every day I just slept and think about how I wait the next day to start coding again my first game. But after 1 year of motivation, I felt like really I really tired of seeing these maps every day. So imagine like 1.5 year I see the same maps in my 3 maps in my tower defense. What the hell? The same mobs, the same waves, the same, okay. And really you work a lot on the games and you burn out. This is very close. So don't forget about that. Don't make your projects big, and as simple, don't forget about successful formula, in my opinion. And why I think so, because I saw a lot of projects, not in Roblox, in Steam, a lot of projects. Why usually a project is successful? You probably even can analyze on your own. When people just combine interesting features and simplicity. If you make as simple as possible game and at the same time interesting, your game will be the best one, really. But this is hard. This is not like there is a big competition. So, but as simple your game and as interesting, as more chances for success. Don't forget, no one like if you make a game where you have tutorial for 1 hour. Everyone skips that. Like maybe 10% of all audience will be yours, but even this don't guarantee. And even if you join the game and in the 5 seconds you understand what you need to do, this is great. You're a genius. Congratulations. Probably your game will be successful. Of course, if this is interesting. So don't forget about that. Always simplicity wins. Simplicity, of course, not only simplicity, your design also. This is also very important. Don't forget. But complicated games, really, in your mind, it will be the best game ever. But average player just join. Oh, there's a tutorial like 10 minutes. I skip that. That's all. Oh yeah, when I study, I mean practicing. My goal is to actually understand what I'm doing and trying to force my brain to find a solution. I heard that's the key. Yes, bro, that's a cool approach. Yeah, of course, bro. And guys, also one more tip about fixing bugs and solving the programming problems. How I thought always and still think like so. If I see, so I have, for example, the bug, yeah, and if I see this bug is fixed in other game, any game in Roblox, so it's possible to fix that, and that means I need just spend a little more time to find a solution and fix that bug, or just change something. So it's possible. Or if you see it's everywhere in every game, it's not fixed. So okay, yeah, you can fix that. But usually, you really a lot of problems in Roblox. You face the bugs, and in other game they don't have this bug. That means, bro, you just need to find better. That's all. And when you start to find better, guys, you start to grow faster, really, because programmer that's not the guy who just keep all in mind. No, guys, no, this is not that. Programmer, this is the guy who know how to find info. So you don't need to keep all documentation about law in your mind. This is really weird. And really, just you need to know how to find info, how to find solutions, and that's all. Use all tools you want. Use ChatGPT if it's helpful to you. Use documentation. Use developer forum. Any tools, guys. I don't mind all of that stuff. And if someone tell you like, oh bro, you use ChatGPT, what the hell, bro? If it's helpful to you, bro, forget about that. If it's helpful to you, just use all tools you have. That's it. Because always you'll face the people like today someone tell me, oh bro, you use ChatGPT, not Cloudy. Bro, I use Cloudy, but I don't like the interface. It's more comfortable to me to use ChatGPT, and I don't use ChatGPT like I just don't understand what ChatGPT does for me. I check these scripts and I understand what happened inside. So of course, if you just copy and paste from AI, this is better approach. But I like more ChatGPT and I use that because it's helpful to me. I tried Cloudy and I like it more. So this is my choice. Maybe in the future I understood like, oh, for some tasks better Cloudy, I use the Cloudy. So I don't mind any AI, any tools. If it's helpful to you guys, you're welcome. You can use that. Don't hear someone who tell you about, oh, this is not true coding, bro. Just they always someone always you find some guy who talk about you and always will be because some of guys tell me in the chat maybe a couple of weeks ago, like, oh, my friends tell me like I'm using AI for helping me learning some codes, some programming, just helping. I'm not copying, he told me. I'm not copying and paste everything. I just like help when it really requires. And he told me like his friends told me about, oh, you're not a true developer or something. You're not a true coder, bro. You just copy that from AI. Who cares, bro? Who cares? And I told him, bro, this is definitely not your friends if they told like so. What the hell, bro? This is your right to make whatever you want, bro. This is your life, and don't listen people a lot. Really, if you listen people a lot, you never will be successful. Because one guy tell you like, oh bro, you use AI. The second guy tell you, oh bro, you don't use AI. What the hell? You're crazy, bro. What the hell? So don't listen a lot of people, guys. Of course, you can try. For example, sometimes a lot of you guys. Oh, thank you for that. Agree. A lot of knowledge you helped me during all the stream series. Like a lot of things you taught me really about a lot of things, about how to make that or other stuff. Yeah, that's cool. But for example, I tried Cloudy, but I don't like the interface. This is not comfortable for me to work that. But I like ChatGPT. This is really comfortable. It gives me that I want, and that's all. So so you don't need, you need to like have you can listen the people, but anyway rely on your opinion. Like if you don't like the interface, bro, don't use that. If you don't like that, you can try other stuff. But if you don't like that, no, you don't need to sit because some guys tell you about that you need to use that. What the hell? So don't care about that. Did you know Notch, the guy who made Minecraft, said but was like, if you use a game engine then you're not a true dev. What the hell, bro? And people were saying this thing to him too. Bro, that's funny, really. So really, I don't understand. I'm not supporting this point, like you're not true dev, bro. Who define true dev you're or not? Like so even if you make the game engine, that doesn't mean that you're a cool developer. Probably you make a game engine, but you won't be able to make the game compared to guy who just use some engine and make really masterpiece. What the hell, bro? Yeah, to make, of course, game engine you need a lot of knowledge, but bro, so you don't listen even Notch probably so about this thing, because this is like usual. There's always will be people who tell you like, oh, you need to do like so. The other people tell you like you need to do like so. Guys, if I listen in my life a lot of people, probably I won't sit here, and probably I never make my channel. This is my 7th channel. Imagine how that for a 7th channel I've already faced hate. I already faced good people, and that's it, guys. That's it. This works everywhere. This is not only about Roblox. This is really in life, because guys, I'm 27 and I have a lot of experience in this in a lot of directions. I tried a lot of in my life, and it's really just, you don't need to listen the people. Of course, if you can listen the people, but if you try something and you don't like that, you don't need to use that because just they said. What the hell? Who's that? Who said that for you? Because you lose yourself, guys. Don't forget about that. You can lose yourself if you always try to be good guy for everyone. This is impossible for the first, because even if you make Roblox game, someone join you and tell you like, oh, your game is shit, bro. This is like I from time to time listen in my direction, and this is okay. I understand that maybe some guys don't like how I look like, and so that's okay. This is just world. Some people just jealous, and who cares? I just or ban them if they really rude, and forget it in 1 second who's that, and really I don't care. So yeah. So when someone asked me about like I banned someone, bro, I even don't understand. I even don't remember who I banned, because I banned and forget about this forever. Because haters will be always, guys. If you wanna be successful, you definitely, if you want to be successful developer, you definitely need definitely need to make videos on YouTube or maybe TikTok or some other things. It's really free way to promote your game, and really you need to use that. But hate you'll face a lot. Like, guys, this is only, you care about that only at the beginning. Later you don't care about that. You just need some time. You'll be stronger and stronger, and just in some time you just don't care. You understand, oh, these people is just jealous of you, and you're a creator, you're making really things. Even if you're not successful in your projects, you trying, and they just discussing about you. What the hell, bro? Who's that? You're a creator. They're just some random guys, some haters who never will make something cool in their life. That's all. So don't listen haters, and just do what what do you feel, guys. Listen to yourself better. How do you feel? And that's it. Some guy said my map. Some guy said my map is trash, which I got said about, bro. Always. This is what I told. So I just this is what I told about. Like, always will be people who don't really, who don't like you, what you do. Always, bro, always. So really, if you care about them, you definitely just lose yourself. So of course you need to listen to people, because not everyone wanna say something bad for you just for that. So just some people really wants to help you, probably, but you need to separate these people and better focus on good people who really supports you and wants to help. So it's what is, if it's that, bro, yes, of course. So it doesn't mean like, oh, you need to skip everyone is like who wanna help you, or maybe. So I don't mind criticism, and you shouldn't be you shouldn't be against criticism. This is great. This is a tool. This is what I always, when I ask in my friends, like, oh guys, what you don't like in my game? And this is very important, because really I want to listen their opinion, like true opinion. And so, but it's hard to get, really, because so sometimes these people even don't know how this works, and for them this is like magic, and that's it. So that's it, guys. So really, don't listen like unnecessary people who really and if you have your YouTube channel. If you have your YouTube channel or some media sources, guys, be prepared to hate, and don't wait like, oh, maybe I wanna like I wanna make a freedom on my channel. I also think like, so I know what's the game. I know what's that, guys, when you like, oh, maybe I wanna have a freedom on my channel, like everyone can show their opinion if this is even bad. No guys, this is the bad approach. Just next time when you decided, for example, release new video, or make a live, for example, and imagine there will be 10 haters who just really say really bad words with no reason, just they hate you, and they'll be here, and you need like, you maybe make 2 streams or make 2 videos, and after that you just don't want anymore to stream, because there is a lot of hate. So don't even think about that. Ban them and forget forever. The faster you do that, like me. This is takes for me like 1 second. I even not stopping talking with you guys usually. So just if I see something like so, I just ban and forget forever. That's helpful. I highly recommend this to you also. So because the longer you try to maybe he tells something good or not, bro, no. If he starts that, he continue because he just waits for your rage. He just waits for your reaction. If you have no reaction, if you're just indifferent, they just live forever and you ban them. So really, and don't forget, guys, like hate and haters, you really care about that. If you make some videos on YouTube, for example, you care about that only at the beginning, guys. Only at the beginning. When you have more audience, guys, like 90% will be the good audience who really polite, like you, and like 10% always will be haters. Just ban them and forget forever. It will always will be like so. So this is my advice. Hello, Albert. Hello. So guys, that's my point. 1 second, guys. I gotta go. It was fun listening. Be back probably in 1 hour. Bye. Bye. Thank you, bro. But today, guys, won't be the long stream, and the next couple of streams also won't be the long. So next stream will be in Friday, because I really need to focus about OP, and I need to really to sit without music. Probably, and to really make full focus on that, because so today, like the next couple of streams will be like maybe a couple of hours, maybe 2 hours, and today also, because really there is a lot of time I need to focus on that topic, because I won't finally understand how it properly works. And so that's it, guys. And a little sick today, that's also. So okay, so camera controller, let's see. Oh, the field here. So, okay. It's unfortunate that you can't put recognized music because they're copyrighted, but only when you're not streaming. Yes, bro, yes. I also, this is very sad about that. I also better really listen to music, different music, but really I'm still have issues. I'm still trying to remove a lot of songs for my first from my first streams, like 7 streams, because there is a like for some lives there's like 100 songs or something like so. I need to resolve all this stuff, and this is really insane. Enjoy your tea, coffee. I hear the cup. Yeah, bro. Thank you very much. Good luck with that, brother. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much, bro. So okay. So this will be camera controller. No, maybe blur we don't need, by the way. Yes, because this is blur different. Like this blur will be for the camera also, and all these will be for the camera. Lock camera. Wait. Menu camera frame. What's the menu camera frame? Oh yeah, let's copy that. Profan, do you use random keyboard or specific model? Is a specific model which one? Random keyboard. What is random keyboard? What's that? What is specific model? I don't know. What's that? What's I talking about? Like it's or what? I don't understand. Maybe random keyboard. You can just create a function called alt_blur and there will be parametrical. No, bro, no, Albert, no. I want to avoid this. I need to use OP here. No, we separate. This is only controls the camera. Other will controls just blur. No, we don't need it anymore. Stop this, because it's always turned into again the whole script in one module. That's it. Instead of just like that, like any model and specific model, like oh, you mean oh, okay, like who made this? No, this is like a random, I don't know, this is like a cheap cheap keyboard. Sorry guys. This is like some cheap keyboard. I don't know, this is really. But mouse I have bloody A90. This is good. This is not too expensive, but this is like gaming mouse for Counter-Strike. I played that because before I used to try to play Counter-Strike by using cheap mouse, and that was insane. What the hell is that? It doesn't remove OP, it's just a single function instead of two functions. No bro, no, that's a bad approach. Here is only we just no, here is also only about the camera, bro. This is only control the camera, apply blur. So what is scriptable make that? That mouse is really good, I heard. Yes bro, I like that really. This is like optical, or how it's called, without like red laser, as if you know, and really. But anyway, it doesn't help me to have a good aim in Counter-Strike. I'm pretty noob here, for real. But I'm trying. So lobby camera. Okay, let's probably self port, camera port. I don't know, we need to wait it for child. I think no, because this is not like fast, right? I think no. Let's try without that. Is the scripting falling or my Wi-Fi? I don't know, let's check. Should be work? I don't know guys. There's some problems or not? Okay, wait. We need to put new camera. self camera, parent, self camera port. Function, apply blur. Looks good for me. Okay, thank you. It's fine now. Probably my Wi-Fi. Okay. Blur camera parent, like self, I think, camera. So workspace camera. I think self camera, like so, I think. Yeah, let's go, let's check that. It was the stream, maybe some problems. I have some drops frames a little bit, but now should be right. So okay, let's call that modules, camera controller, local camera controller, require local modules, camera controller, local camera, units, or just in workspace camera. Anyway, probably yeah. Bro, do you know how to design patterns work and apply it to OP? Bro, you again starts to scare me these scary words, bro. I don't know what doesn't mean even. I just do that, bro, like I feel. Like ChatGPT helps me. Because if there's a lot of information, bro, I just can't. I need first to understand how I can use that, because before I even didn't understand how I can use that. So let me first to understand that, and then the rest stuff. I want to check that. Print self. Oh. Layer data controller. Let's. What's OOP? Object oriented programming. This is like how you organize your code. Like maybe you saw a lot of games made where is a lot of module scripts inside, a lot. So that's it. When you just like create a lot of blocks for your game. So for example, just one script for inventory, one for camera, like this for example, So this module script control only just fix our camera and apply the blur for the camera. That's all the script does. Why is it useful? Because when you have a bug, you don't need to scroll down all this stuff like so, because that's insane. What the hell? So just this is all in the one script, and this is not the final, of course. I just separate all the script for different scripts. For example, I need to know about camera. I don't find here like where is my camera. I just open camera controller and all about camera will be here, all controls, and that's all. This is easy to fix, easy to control, and easy to develop. Because I faced really the big problem with this, how it's called, the big problem with organizing my code. So further development will be really hard for me, because hard to understand what the hell, because I have a function here. Yeah, okay, this is 300 lines, but this is called GUI, 600 lines more, one function, because this is function we just use boolean, and this is function call and inventory call. Also it calls shop and all tabs in the shop, all the things in the shop, and so this is really not optimized like so. Better to separate all of that. Okay, what is workspace lobby? We don't have that, because we probably create that separately, right? I think yes. God, script lobby controller does do many things. Script lobby controller, that's a yes, bro, yes. Code smell. I just before didn't have any experience in OOP, but I tried a lot of times to understand how it works, and I think I'm close to understand that. Oh yeah, let's define also this stuff. I forget about that, and let's go in our okay, let's make lobby controller. Lobby controller, what we'll make here? We'll make here date player date, so we don't need. Okay, let's start from the new one. So here we'll need this one. Okay, let's create. This will be lobby controller. Lobby controller. Oh, by the way, guys, someone, I forget who was that, but some of you tell me about this feature, Ctrl-Shift-R. Look at that. Boom, and I change all the variables. Or you can just press right click, and here is a rename document symbol. So look at that, like I change all my variables at the same time, like this I define, and these all will be changed. Of course you can do it like so, but bro, this is definitely faster. Ctrl-Shift-R and let's go. That's cool. You can do Ctrl+D. No, bro, no. And Ctrl-Shift-F. Yeah, Ctrl-Shift-F. Oh, really? I also use Ctrl-F just. You can search your entire base. Okay, thank you, bro. Yeah, about Ctrl-F, I just Control F, but Control Shift F, that's better really. Oh yeah, that's faster, bro, thank you. Okay, local self, set meta table, and lobby controller, right? Function. So return self. So self dot on the Control G you can repeat it. Oh really? Oh, what the hell, really? Oh, thank you, bro. Yeah, you're right. Okay, self. We just can define that. Lobby model, like so. Right. And when we initialize that, we can call self lobby model. Local lobby model clone lobby model parent workspace, just like so, I think, right? Let's check that. But we need to initialize that first, of course. Lobby controller. So before the camera, local lobby. New lobby init, and like so. Let's try. Oh yeah, blur. We have a blur, right? Nice. I like that. So I already like how it looks like. This is easier to control. This is better, definitely. So okay, we create a lobby here. What is lobby? Wait. Go inside our. Okay, let's close these unnecessary things to not mess up with that. So lobby controller, let's close that. Camera controller, let's go again. What do we have here? Camera. Okay. I'm not sure. Workspace camera, this is like a current camera, the same thing. Yeah, like so. So the same. But I suggest you to study domain driven. I use it too. It's not another programming paradigm like OOP, but it can combine with OOP. Okay, let's check what's that. It's a guide how you structure a project or game. Like you mean structure, like all of this stuff, right? You mean? If you about this, so I need that definitely, or not. Because I completely not understand. Oh yeah? Yeah, bro, thank you. That's definitely what I need now, because for me this is really hard to with structures. Structures, I don't like this. I also thought about it like so. It has 4 layers: domain, application, infrastructure, and presentation. In the domain layer, all logics you compose in the class will live here. Domain layer, all logics you compose in the class will live here. Specific subject area or problem that the software system aims to address. For instance, in banking application, the domain involves concepts like accounts, transactions, customers, and relevant banking regulations. Driven means that design in the application will leave here what to do on that domain layer per logics. In the application don't have a low level logics, but it orchestrate what and how to use domain logics. Probably, bro, this is something like so. Today I asked about that ChatGPT. Like, I think I can create a just module which just initialize all other modules. You mean about that, or what's that? Like, this module do nothing, just initialize. Like, I just call, instead of I make it like so, I just call this one module which initialize all the other modules, and this will be like two strings only, like so. Oh yes, like that. Yeah, I also faced today that. So I thought to do like so, so I asked, and it's tell me like it's a good approach. Domain is the logic, and driven means that the design of software is influenced by the future and needs of the domain. It indicates that design choices are based on a solid understanding of the domain rather than just technical aspects. Design is approximation blueprint of software system. Almost basement reveal, yeah, bro. So the system have a proper layers. Okay. For fun, you have stumbled my basement domain expansion. Bro, what the hell? Okay. Mm-hmm. The infrastructure layer will talk to the actual APIs services of the game engine, like Roblox data store, input service, context services, and the presentation. And the presentation is all the user interface logic, like the UI, HUD logics. Search in ChatGPT how you can apply DDD in game development, especially in Roblox. Yeah. Infrastructural basement. Yeah, bro. The application is like the services, input services, twin service, combat services, animation service, etc. Twin basement. Yes, bro. Oh yeah. Because I see your good code base, it's like a mild spaghetti, so I think the structure will help your existing systems. Yeah, I have the problem with that here, bro. I have the problem with that. So we just create domain, and what domain we'll make? Or just this is a folder? No, this is folder like. Do you play Grow Garden? Not yet, bro, not yet. Domain is pure logic, defines is how the behavior works. The application was to do pure logic from the domain. I see you having it in your favorites. Yes, I saved that to play later, bro, on the stream probably, but I haven't played yet. Oh, okay. It's like organizing your system by in 4 layers, just like folder organization for each system. Okay, okay. So, for example, let's for example, like I can create a folder, right? Like lobby, right? Like so, I think, and main menu controller, and shop and all stuff, and lobby controller we can put here, right? Like so. Maybe I don't understand properly. Base material plus play games. Yes, bro. Hyperfun, I was programming a bit, but now I'm back. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back. I added a thing, so now it plays a sound when you click something. That's great, bro. Keep it up the work, bro. I think you can understand it because you apply and learn how OP works. OP and DDD the best combination. Okay. So for example, so I have the characters, right? Like so, if I'm not wrong. Like here's entities. It suggests like entities folder, right? And I have characters. Here is a monster, survivor, and a start generator for these two things. My approach, bro, is like I create a system folder and then specific system, for example combat system folder, and then specific system, for example combat system, combat system, domain, application, infrastructure, and application. So you just make 4 scripts in combat system, like domain, application, infrastructure, application, or what's that? 1 second, guys. It's not a script or a module, it's a folder of 4 layers. Okay, so folder system, for example inventory, right? Or what's that? Something like this, like if I, okay, wait. Okay, let's create a new folder. So like your combat system, domain, pre-logic handle, combat logic. I don't see like what's the difference with OP, like I do like so, or what? Didn't get anyway. Domain services, combat service, combat service. It's not like OP, it combines with OP. Okay. So this is a folder domain, right? OP is how you organize your code. DDD is, guys, how you structure, organize your modules. Oh, okay. I've got it. So in domain, propagate the storage modules services. It's hard to read. Yes, it's hard to understand. So for me, I explain what's the problem with that. Like domain, so I just add one more folder here, domain, and put the same thing like I put in my game. First search in the ChatGPT isolated DDD used. Let's copy that. Combat system, domain, damage, combat entity. So by doing that, each system is isolated. They can work one by one and not touching the other systems. So really, like just take damage for one. So really, that's it. Like one module just for damage. For damage for combat system, right? Oh, I think I know. Instead of, for example, I would have the main damage module. We just make in every system, like combat system, damage. For example, if we have some grenades, we also put the damage script here, and I just copy that from here, probably, right? Like so. This is the feature of that. Like I just copy this script duplicate, and for example, like I don't know, gun system, I put the damage also here in the main, right? Instead of, because I thought make that like maybe I'll have one in survivor controller, I'll have this take damage script, like so. And you can easily mirror that folder structure in other system. Example, combat system, gun system, health system, player system, inventory system, etc. Yeah, so I just you mean so I duplicate that and just put in my, so I don't use this damage from combat system for someone else, I just use it only in combat system, right? But if I make a gun system, I also copy that. Okay, yeah, I've got it, bro. Yeah, I've got it finally. And presentation is like how you present the visuals for the user, like combat UI, inventory. Yes, it's called isolation and encapsulated. Okay. So we have oh yeah, that's it. So systems, combat system, inventory system, domain, services, infrastructure. So like the damage system don't know how the inventory system works. Damage system don't know how the inventory system works. Like the logic of the damage system is not connected to inventory system. Okay, got it. So it looks like so I just can really make that once and just reuse that in my future projects. I looks like so, right? Just copy some modules like take damage, and that's it, or like so. Yes, just like you see in the chat GPT, that's how it works, the structure. You see every system have the same folder structure layers. Yes. Okay, that's cool, bro, that's cool. Yes, you don't touch your existing system, you just organized your systems. Okay, that's cool, bro. Subsystem domain. Okay, so it's like organization technique. Yeah, bro, yeah, thank you very much, that's really cool. I really require that. Thank you very much, bro. Yeah, because I also thought like how I need to put folders and some other stuff in here. This is really this is really what I needed. Okay, so system, like modules, like for example I can create like lobby system. Yes, because your replicated storage is bloated, not defined by systems. Yes, so like lobby system, right? Or not a lobby system. So lobby system, I think lobby system, right? Or I don't know how it's called. How we can call that? Like old GUI? Or wait, presentation. You talked about presentation. Wait. So for example, where I should put these scripts, like lobby controller, what we make in lobby controller, just copy our model and put on workspace. System, lobby system, domain. Okay, let's go. Domain, application, infrastructure. Presentation. So and okay, what I need to put in domain? Lobby controller you will put in the domain. Okay, domain, because domain is pure logic. So what about camera controller? Hi, hello. So camera controller, like this presentation, I think, or what's all the controllers live in domain. Oh, okay. I thought there's only one script will be here. Yo bro, welcome. Related to lobby system. Okay. I'm so late, bro. I was oversleep. That's okay, bro. Today is not too long. I'm a little sick, guys, and the next streams, some streams, next will be in Friday, weekends. will be not too long because I need to really understand how OP works, and I need to really like next streams will be like couple of hours. I solve all these problems and then we continue making longer streams after that. So today also soon we'll finish. Okay, camera controller, lobby controller. What about main menu controller? What is main menu? This is I just initialize our left buttons. Like also put here. Probably yes. These systems. Main menu controller. I think these main buttons. Like so, I think. So best deals. It supports a lobby system too, or main menu system, just like that. Okay, this is will be main buttons controller. Okay, later. Oh, what the hell is that? All right. So main buttons controller. Let's see, character. So lobby system. Okay. Let's check what is application and other stuff I didn't get. Domain, per logic. But be careful, you will change your directories and adjusting the pathing because you add new folders in system folder. Yeah, bro, yeah. Yeah. 1 second, guys. So wait, let's check again. What's that? Domain per logic no Roblox API. What is Roblox API? What's that? Use cases, infrastructure, data storage, Roblox interaction, interface, UI, or remote events. It's tell me ChatGPT told me like it should be created like you can use the whole system. You can copy that and use not in this game, like you can put it inside other game and it works here like so, right? Roblox APIs is the services you used. Player services. Oh, okay, I've got it. Yeah, thank you. So okay, domain per logic no Roblox API. Let's check. So this I don't use here, right? Camera controller, or how it, like, just I can have a constructor here, or how it's made. And maybe put it in presentation, right? So this is a blur and lock camera, or where it's put better. I think in presentation. This is like UI. No, you don't touch your existing code. But there is API. Like or what do you mean about I didn't get, like, I don't need to use API, but I use here then. Okay. Infrastructure, data storage, Roblox interaction. The infrastructure layer is responsible for communication with external systems. Like oh, okay, like data storage we get, like you. Okay, I'll create just module scripts, for example, so not to forget that. Data storage example in memory tables, data store to external services, leader stats, animations, physics, infrastructure, like okay, let's go. Should not contain game logic. Its job is to be persist, load and fetch data or breach the domain logic into the Roblox specific APIs. The domain layer is the heart of your game's logic. You define it defines what your game is about in clean, pure low code with zero Roblox API dependencies. But at the same time, bro, why I use here these services? Think of it as your game rules engine, health damage, cooldowns, etc. Should not care about players, remotes, GUI, data store, or models. So really I need to, because I call this as a replicated storage, and just probably I need to separate that. The services you just say, it's like required services to work that logic. The application layer is it's the conductor knows what needs to happen, but it doesn't work itself. Should contain business rules. That's what the main layer is for. Didn't get anyway, bro. Didn't get. So I anyway use the models from replicated storage, like instances, and put it here. So probably I need to separate my camera controller, like what is application, by the way? Application, how players interact, like with our system, or what the hell? Domain no have Roblox API. Domain layer rules brain. If a pet takes 10 damage, its health goes down by 10. Application layer, the game boss. When a player clicks attack, I tell the pet to take damage. Infrastructure layer, the helper tools. Where is the pet state? Let me get it from memory or data store. Presentation layer. When you press the feed pet button, send a remote event to server. Imagine a pet battle. Player clicks attack. Presentation layer. The server side ok attack application layer. Okay. The pet loses health according to the rules. Domain layer. Infrastructure. Okay. External connection, external core, UI. One second. Application main game rules. So application, like interact with players, right? Application. Not only with player, okay, not only with player, just interact with system, right? So okay, application interact with system, domain core game rules, infrastructure connection external, and presentation UI, animations, and some other stuff, right? Yes, okay, that's great. Okay guys, I really feel bad already. So for today that's all, and yeah, Presentation is like how players will interact, like the clients. So all the modules for local scripts are placed here, right? In presentation. Right? Like in presentation I placed modules for local script, I think. What type of game is it? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. Here's a video, 4 minutes video. If you want, you can watch about this game. Thank you, bro. No, bro. Thank you for that. No, bro. Thank you, really, because I needed because I don't like my structure really. So yeah, thank you for telling that. Modules that will be used by client players. Be used by client players. Okay, I've got it. So guys, thank you all who watched today. Thank you all who been here. I think we'll see in the Friday if I feel better, because I have 2 weekends. And thank you all who watched. Thank you all who helped, guys, and bye bye.